In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to integrate a type of function that is written in this type of form or in 1 over x and also another type of form. And we also going to do a lot of different type of examples. So let's get started. Well, the first thing is before we go to the examples, I just want you guys to know the formula. So these are the three formulas that we need when we are dealing with this type of function and when we're trying to integrate that type of function. So we got three cases. Actually, we got three formulas because we got three cases or three situations or type of equations or functions that we mostly encounter. So the first one is actually if there's a function that is catalog or if there's catalog equation that is in this type of form in 5 over x or 6 over x, and if it is in this type of form, we're going to use this formula and we're going to integrate it by using this formula. And when you come to the second case, if you guys got a type of a function that is in 1 over 3x and also it can be 1 over 5x, if it is in this type of form, we're going to use this formula to integrate that function. And if you guys got the type of equation in 1 over, can also be 5 actually. Let's just say 5 over 2x plus 2, and it also can be 1 over 5x plus 3. If it is in this type of form, you're going to use this formula to integrate it. So it seems like there's three cases or three formulas that we need. But actually, the thing is, don't waste your time by trying to take in or apprehend to these three formulas. All you just gotta do is just try to do a lot of formula, I mean, a lot of examples and questions, and you're gonna know it, or you're gonna just uh, you're gonna understand it simply. So I just want you guys to do a lot of different examples, and you're gonna understand it. So just don't waste your time by trying to apprehend these three formulas. And when we do some examples, it will be verified for you, so don't get confused. So now let's do some type of examples and questions. And I'm also gonna show you, I'm gonna write the formula for you, and we're gonna compare how the formula and the question relates. So now let's do some type of examples. Okay, when you come to the first example, it says that 5 over x. So if it is 5 over x, it means that this type of question is in this type of form. It means that it's just k over x. So if it is k over x, you just gotta say that k the whole ln x plus c. So this is what you gotta do, or this is all you have to do. So I'm just gonna say, or let me just erase this thing for you. So I'm just gonna say that 5 over x is actually equal to, this one is actually my k value, so I'm gonna say 5 the whole ln x plus c. So this will be my last answer. This is all I have to do. So this is it for this specific example. When you come to the second one, the second case is actually in this type of form. So if it is 1 over ax, what you gotta do is you're just gonna say 1 over a the whole ln x plus c. So this is actually the same as 1 over a means a is actually this 1 or 3. So it will be 3 equals to, or not equals to, but let's just say that ln the whole, not actually 3. You don't write 3, you're just gonna say x and then plus c. So this is all you have to do, and this is the answer for the second example. When you come to the last case, or the last one, or c, this is actually in this type of form. In this is actually k over, if it is k over ax plus b, you're just gonna say that k over a the whole ln ax plus b the whole plus c. So I'm just gonna say that this is 1 over 4x plus 2. So my k value is actually 1, so I'm gonna say 1 over, my a value is 4, so I'm gonna say 1 over 4 the whole ln 4x plus 2 the whole plus c. So this will be my last answer, and this is all I have to do. So this is how it goes. If you know the formula, actually just, you don't have to know the formula, just all you just gonna have to know is just all the time this ln, or this 4x plus 2, is gonna be in your ln. So you're just gonna say, as you guys can see over here, the thing that's found down, just especially in this B, or in this case, in the second case, just don't write this 3. This is the only thing you have to know. That when you count to the first one, you're just gonna have to write this ln x, or the thing that's found in your denominator. When you count to the last case, you're gonna have to write this the thing that's found in your denominator, and then the rest of it is so easy. So if you know this thing, the rest of it is so easy. So now let's just add some type of some other examples, and it will be easy for you. Okay, so for the first example, I'm not gonna write the formula, but I just want you guys to stop the video and try this one, since this is easy, and I'm not gonna write the formula. So the thing that I'm gonna do is, so if it is this case, what I want to do is I just want to write this 3. So forget about the formula and all of those stuff. So all you have to do is just write the 3, or write the thing that's found in your denominator. So just write this 3, and I'm gonna say ln the thing that's found in my denominator. I'm gonna say 5 minus 4x, and then the whole over, not the whole over actually, just let's just do it over here, and then the whole over my a value. So all the time your a value is all the time the thing that's found with the x, or the constant number, or any number that's found with your x. So for this case, it will be what? It will be minus 4. This is my number for that's found with my x. So I'm gonna say 3 over negative 4 the whole ln 5 plus 4x and plus c, and then it seems like I'm done. So this is all you have to do. Just don't waste your time by trying to memorize the formula. So all you have to do is just write the thing that's found in your denominator first, and then you're gonna say ln and the thing that's found in your denominator, and then the whole over a. So a means the thing that's found with the x. So when you count to the last case, I'm just going to say negative 5, the whole ln. My denominator will be 3, the whole minus 7x. And then my a value will be negative 7. So I'm going to say the whole over negative 7 and plus c. So negative by negative, it will be positive. So it will be 5 over 7, the whole ln. 3 minus 7x plus c. So this is it, and we're done. So this is all you have to do. But one last thing that I want to tell you is the one specific situation, or that you're not gonna write the whole thing that's found in your denominator, is in this case, if it is 1 over 8x, or if it is 1 over kind of like 4x, or whatever the number is, if it is 4x or stuff like that, just don't write the 4x in your ln. It's just, you're just gonna have to write the only one, the only x. You're just gonna say that, you're just gonna take this one first all the time, as always. You're just gonna say 1 ln, and then just don't write the whole thing, just write the x only, and then the whole over, your a, so it will be 4, and then plus c. So you don't have to write the whole thing for this specific situation. This is actually for this specific situation only. But for the rest of it, just you can write the whole denominator in your ln, and then divide it by this a. So this is it. This is all you have to do. Just don't waste your time by trying to apprehend the formula. So this is it for this video, and I hope you guys get benefited from this video, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.